Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel for the last Christmas clean and decorate of 2022. Today we are decking out baby Oliver's nursery, the master bathroom, and the guest bathroom. I am going to have a home tour live in the next day or so, so be on the lookout for that. It is going to be so cozy and fun to look back at all of the decor that we did this year in the evening when everything is glowy. But I'm so excited to bring y'all along today as we get this decor finished up. So today I'm starting out in the nursery and I'm just dusting everything down real quick and moving his little tree out so that we can bring in his Christmas tree. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you. But let's get this decorating started.
Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy. So giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antennae. Onwards ever go. Dasher and Prancer, moving through the snow.
So I'm actually just using this Christmas tree that I brought home from my classroom from when I used to be a teacher, and it's 6 feet tall, so it's not super large, but it fits perfectly in this little corner here. Originally, I wanted to do a colorful tree in his room, but this is what we had on hand, and I thought, why not use it? So we're going to be using this in here this year. Next year, we may change things up. And as for the decorations on the tree, we have a ton of red ornaments left over from our living room decor, and it just so happens to match his bedroom decor. We have some little flannel sheets that have Santa Claus on them and a little red pillow for the recliner, and so the red Christmas ornaments look really good. But next year when he's a little older and he can pick out stuff on his own, I'll take him to Hobby Lobby or wherever and we'll get some stuff that he likes for his Christmas tree. But this year this all turned out so cute and I'm so happy with it.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is...
How cute are these flannel sheets from Pottery Barn? I am obsessed. I got these on a major sale this year. I think it was around Black Friday. And then I also got him this little Rudolph at TJ Maxx the other day. And I'm going to add a little red blanket on the side that he already had on hand. And I think his little crib turned out so cute. And then we're going to head over to the recliner. I bought this little North Pole pillow last year, and I never did find a place for it, but this is the perfect place for it this year. It looked so cute sitting in this recliner.
this day with you.
Who is that? Oh, is he going to go night-night?
Moment will fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close.
So for his little bookshelves, I just added some little string lights, and then over here on the changing station, we don't really use this anymore, and so I can decorate it, but I just put a little tree there with a little mama polar bear and her cubs. Thought that was so cute. And now we're headed back over to the tree to add some ornaments. I tried to get Oliver in on this to help me, and he wasn't really interested. That was him shaking the camera right there, and he did play with the ornaments some, but he was not really interested. In fact, I've had a lot of people ask me, do you have to put a gate around your tree or try to keep him off of it all the time? And he really has not even tried to mess with our tree in the living room. Once in a while, he'll like pull an ornament off, but it's not been a huge issue, which I'm really thankful for.
As I spend this day with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you, with you. I don't need any presents.
Okay, I wanted to stop real quick and tell y'all about something really fun that I've been doing lately. Thank you so much to June's Journey for sponsoring today's video. So I've recently found a really fun mobile game. You can play it on Android and iOS, and it's called June's Journey. And basically you have to find hidden objects in these really beautiful scenes. So it might give you like a picture of a castle, and you have to find the chimney and a dragonfly and an easel, and they're really hard to locate. And I don't know if y'all remember this, but there were those books when we were kids where you had to find the little critter within a picture of like just a mess, and that was so much fun. That was like one of my favorite things as a kid, one of my favorite childhood memories, and I think that's why I love this game so much, because it's just relaxing. I can curl up on the couch at the end of the day and play it, and it's just really fun. And as you go, you earn points. Oh, I hit a bonus. So I have 173,413. I'm gonna go ahead and claim. Yay! Download June's Journey today for free by clicking that link down in my description box below. Like I said, it's available on Android, iOS, and it's also available on a PC through Facebook Games. And thank you so much to June's Journey for sponsoring today's video.
Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby.
So for the top of the tree, I just used a bow that we already had on hand. I actually purchased those to put on our lights out by the garage, and I didn't like the way they looked, so they were just sitting in our garage, and I figured I may as well make use of it. And then over there by the tree, I added his little red car because I thought it looked so cute sitting there by the tree, and it's just easy to use his toys as decoration in here because I don't have very much storage. So now we're going to vacuum this up, and we're done.
Jingle with me, baby. 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 Jingle with me, baby.
Now I'm headed into the guest bathroom, and I still had to pull out all of my pumpkins and fall decor because I am that behind this year, y'all. But I'm just going to wipe everything down with Kaboom, and we're going to put out some Christmas decor. I like to keep this guest bathroom really fun, not only for Oliver, but for everybody that comes over, because this is like the guest bathroom. So I'm used to calling it the guest bathroom, but I guess now it's Oliver's bathroom. But anyways, I like to keep this one really fun and colorful and festive, and then when we go to the master bathroom here in a minute to decorate, I'm going to keep that one a little bit more mature looking. It's still really fun for the holidays, but this one's going to have a really fun shower curtain and lots more color.
Was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. In Bethlehem in Israel, this blessed babe was born, and laid within that manger for this blessed morn. To which his mother Mary did nothing taking scorn. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy.
So over here in the corner, I just added a little tree. I think that's from Target a few years back. And then that little white sculpture I found at Walmart this year for $15, and I thought that was so pretty. And then I just added a little Target candle here, as well as a little snowflake towel. I think the snowflake towel came from TJ Maxx last year. And then I'm just going to Windex down these mirrors, or actually I'm using Sprayway, and I'm going to add the Mrs. Meyer's what's it called, pine soap. I think it's Iowa pine, and that's going to complete this area over here.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
I love those red towels over there. They add such a pop of color in here. I think I picked those up at Target a few years back. And then that little sign above the towels came from TJ Maxx. I love that sign so much. And then we picked up that shower curtain from TJ Maxx too. And then I think that rug came from Kohl's, actually, randomly enough. I don't ever go to Kohl's, but I ran into it one day, I think last year. And so I love the way that this bathroom turned out. It's so fun for when guests come over, and also Oliver can enjoy it. And now we're headed into the master bathroom. I'm just going to wipe everything down again with Kaboom and get decorating.
From now on, yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on.
Now that we're kind of wrapping up all of the Christmas decorating, in the next day or so I will have a home tour go live, and I'm going to do it in the evening, so it's going to be really cozy. Y'all will have to stop back by on, I believe it's going live on Sunday, and that's going to be a collab with one of my sweet friends here on YouTube. But after that is over, we're going to have lots of videos preparing for Christmas, lots of baking and gift wrapping, cleaning, organizing, all of that good stuff. So if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. It's totally free. All it does is notify you when I upload a new video. Normally, I will upload on Sundays and sometimes Thursdays. I try to do every Thursday, but it doesn't always work out, so it's usually every other Thursday or every third Thursday. But I always try to upload on Sundays unless we're sick or something crazy happens. So every week I put out new videos, homemaking, cleaning, decorating, lots of mom life. I've been loving doing those day in the lives with Oliver, and I know that's not everybody's thing, but it's easy for me to film a video like that with the baby rather than trying to clean the whole house. So I've been trying to do more of those too. And in the new year, I'm still going to keep lots of cleaning and decorating, but I'm also going to implement way more day in the lives with me and baby Oliver. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure to stick around and subscribe. But now I'm going to add this little thing. I don't even know what to call it. It's like a pot with stems, and I wanted to put this on our kitchen table, but it was way too big because we have that little tiny kitchen table. So I stuck it in here. I've seen lots of people on Pinterest put these big arrangements in their bathroom, and I think it's beautiful. It looks so classy, but then I stuck this in here and it feels really large for the space, so y'all have to let me know what you think. I found those beautiful little tree soap dispensers at Target this year. Those are so pretty. I love how glam they are. I went ahead and lit a peppermint candle, and then over here above the toilet I just added a little wreath that I already had, and I stuck a little red bow on it. And as far as the tub goes, I'm just going to add some red towels and a really glam Santa Claus and a little lantern.
The time is short, we blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. Come on in, come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in, nothing better.
I decided to bring the shower curtain that we did have in the guest bathroom into our master bathroom. I love the way that this looks in here. The ruffles give this bathroom a little bit more of a chic feel rather than feeling so cold with just that white stark shower curtain. So I think I'll end up leaving this one in here and then getting a new one for the guest bathroom for the new year. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed the last of the Christmas decorating this year. I'm going to link all of my other ones below in case you missed them. Y'all don't forget to download June's Journey for free using my link below. But I will see y'all very soon for our cozy Christmas home tour. Bye!